Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to free up storage in Google Photos step by step. If your Google account storage is getting full, this guide will help you remove unnecessary photos and videos and free up space quickly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Photos, click the storage option from the left sidebar if it is available. If you don't see it there, click the settings icon in the top right corner and open Manage Storage. Google Photos will show you how much storage you're currently using. Scroll down and review the suggested categories, such as large photos and videos, blurry photos, screenshots, and items in trash. Open a category and select the photos or videos you no longer need. Click the trash icon and choose Move to Trash. After that, open the trash folder from the left sidebar. Click Empty Trash to permanently delete those items and free up storage immediately. You can also delete large videos or duplicate photos manually from your library if you no longer need them. If your photos were uploaded in original quality, you can save space by converting them to storage saver quality. Open Settings, find the storage options, and choose Recover Storage if that option is available for your account. Finally, go back to Manage Storage and check your updated storage usage. That's it. You have successfully freed up storage in Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.